Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use landscape mode. After that, you walk in. Remember, you are recording 2 videos here. Just sit down. All right, as you sit down, you can stay like that for a few seconds or few minutes, okay, depending on what you want to achieve. Okay, after some few time, you just stand up. You say, do this drama here as if someone just disappeared or something. After that, you can now walk out. Okay, then you are coming back for the second time. Okay, walking for the second time. You can decide to change your clothes so that people will understand that is not the same person, understand what you are doing. As you walk in now, you can stand there for some few seconds or some few minutes. After that, the next thing you are going to be doing here is to just jump up. As you jump up, then you can just walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, click on CapCut, new video there, import your video to workspace. Click on your video and locate volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0 guys, mark on this good here, then you go back, you locate where you want this your video to start. This point where you sat down, you are clicking here to make a split. Okay, you delete this first part, then you keep going again to the point, this point. Then as you are walking out, click on this place now, you make another split. Okay, you keep going again, keep going. All right, before you walk into the scene, make another split here, delete this middle part, delete it, locate where you want this video to end guys. Look for where you want the video to end. Immediately you jump up, you click here and make another split. All right, you delete this last part, come back and click this last part, look for overlay, locate overlay guys, click on overlay, click it and drag it under this one. Okay, then you are going to be clicking it. After you drag it under here, you click it and go and look for remove BG. Okay, look for remove BG guys, click on remove BG, auto removal, then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. But guys, if you have any magic effect or CapCut tricks you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, locate your notification bell and smash it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Welcome back to this tutorial guys. So at this point, it has removed completely. You mark on this good here, then you go back. So what we are going to be doing now is to make our necessary adjustment, okay, so that the video will play like video, so that it will be that when you walk in, at the point, the time you stand up and the going and everything, watch what I am going to be doing here. So you are going to take your hand, you come down and do your, you can see that the playing is not good. So what we are going to be doing now is to click on this second layer and drag it to the front. Just watch what I am doing. You will do it like this until you have gotten it right, so that everything will blend. The video will play like a video. Okay, just follow what I am doing now. Let's watch it over and over again. If it has not blended, we will still adjust it again. No, it has not worked. Click it and drag it to the front. This is what we keep doing until you have gotten the perfect thing you want. Then I will tell you the next thing we are going to be doing. Okay, you can see I'm still adjusting it. Okay, just calm down. So at this point, I think we have gotten it, but let's still adjust it a little bit. At this point, leave it like this. So I believe it will play normal now. Let's watch it so that you will see and understand what I am trying to let you know or trying to make you understand. So let's watch it now to that point. So from here now, you click on this place now, click on the edge, then you add your keyframe here. So you add keyframe, you click on splice. Let me tell you the next thing to do. So then drag it to the end, then you reduce the texture finish. Yeah, just make it go out so that it will look as if that before you stand up and come, the character have disappeared. Look at it. So this is good. This is good. So at this point now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to play this video from the beginning to see what we have got. Look at the video here. Don't forget to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. And after adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, and I'm going to be putting you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after adding them now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on export now. Then you allow this video to export to your gallery. As you can see that is exporting. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. Okay, you can now share it to your social media handles. But just in case you have a magic trees or effect you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Remember to like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Smash on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video, guys. Thank you for watching.